The story began with the disturbance of a mentally unsound girl. A girl tried to barge her way into City Hall. She was stopped, and this was reported very briefly on the news. She made a commotion claiming that she needed to meet the mayor and tell him something. People just thought it was no more than a civil complaint. And the story seemed to end there.
Itong babaeng to kasi pinipilit pumasok sa City Hall. Pero pagkapasok sigaw ng sigaw, Mayor! Mayor! Para bang naniningil ng utang.
She's being accused of disruption of work at a public institution and public nuisance. Pero bata pa kasi siya. Kaya, ang pagkakakulong is hindi naman siguro tama. Pagkatapos nun, pinalayan na namin. But, if she is mentally stable, yun ang problema. Kaya, mas magandang sabihin na lamang na hindi siya mentally stable.
This girl shows signs of anxiety disorder and she has a severe communication problem.
The CT scan show any abnormalities?
Well, the CT scan and MRI scan don't show any abnormalities at all. And with these symptoms, rather than calling them as a medical problem, it would be more accurate to call them mental problem.
May nagpapakita po ba ng any signs na meron siyang low mental capacity?
Well, she knows her timetables and sings the national anthem very well. Hindi naman siya mukhang naglalak from intellect.
May gusto ka bang sabihin sa akin? Bakit ka sumulog sa school? Alam mo ba, naghiwagaan sa iyong mga pulis. Kailangan nilang address mo para naintid ka nila pa uwi.
Tinanong ko siya kung saan siya nakatira at ang sabi niya, sa Buwan Street. Walang Buwan Street. Ay nako, anong panahon ba siya nabubuhay? At tinanong ko rin kung ano social security number niya. Sabi ba naman sa akin is, she was from 2124. At tinanong ko kung anong number niya, sabi niya, ay wala.
Paulit-ulit siya. Galing daw siya sa future. Hindi ko nga alam kung ginagago lang ako yung sabog lang.
Did you really come from the year 2124? 100 years from now? Okay. I leave you now. She was full of mystery. Parang padre yung kausap. Meron siyang nilagay sa kakaitan. To be more exact, it was a 1,000 peso. Medyo pakulit na din siya. This was a money from the future, year 2025. But based on my research, the process of the new money was still in the process of final design. So they can only reveal it once it released.
So it's true. Ganito nga ang itsura ng dagat.
Sa panahon niya, the rivers were all dried up and gone. This big river has become a small stream. Maliit na batis na pwedeng-pwede mong lakalin sa babaw. araw, makikita lang ito ng malinaw sa isang araw sa isang taon. The dust has completely covered the earth. People began to suffer with disease from the air. Kagaya ng prediction ng marami, in the future, the air was no longer free. 100 years from now is a world where you have to pay for oxygen.
Kain ka. Niluto ko lang yung mga usual food kong kinakain.
Kinakain mo lahat to?
Huh?
Yes. So much food.
In her world, ang mga pananim ay tumigil ng tumubo. And the ecosystem has become so different. The first thing that changed was the food. They consume pills instead of food.
Kasya naman siguro sa'yo yan. Paras lang naman tayo ng katawan. You can stay here. Hanggang sa makahanap ka ng matitirhan mo. O mahanap mo yung mga magulang mo. Or even until you go back.
Flowers.
Because of the changes in the ecosystem, the things that are common here have disappeared. The number of animals and insects decreased. The plants and reproduction of the nature were disappearing. And somewhere, that kind of world had already begun.
The world is changing rapidly. The unstable future is edging even closer. Air pollution crisis exists in Metro Manila and Cebu. Dangerous levels threaten public health and fuel climate change concerns. Major cities like Metro Manila and Cebu are experiencing dangerously high levels of air pollution, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels, industrial activity, and car emissions. The dense fog that hangs over cities not only poses major health risks like respiratory and cardiovascular conditions, but it also contributes to the climate change.
Wala na talaga mga bubuyog. Wala na talaga tayong pag-asa. Dati isang pugad lang ng bubuyog, pandalawang linggo na. Ngayon wala na talaga. Ano yun? Bee farming is over. Sabi nga ni Einstein, if the bee disappeared, the world would end. How plants and flowers will bloom if there's no bees?
Mamamatay na kami dito. Nakita mo ba yung tubig? Kapag nag-aagis ako ng lambat para manghuli ng isda, parang dumilang din mahuli namin. Mas madami pang basura kaysa isda. Hindi ko maganda. Yan. Sa ibang bansa yan.
Kasi nga sa nabasa ko, mas uminit daw ang temperature ng dagat.
Ang init nga nitong araw eh. Parang hot spring ng dagat.
Talaga ba?
Joke lang.
Nakikita mo ba to? Magaganda at malulusog ang mga yan. Yan ang pinakamasarap na mangga dito sa Batangas. Halika, tikman mo.
Pwede na ba itong kainin ng ganito?
Siyempre naman oo. Organic yan. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Ako yung ini-interview.
stay dito, maninipis na damit. Dahil sa kainitan, hindi nabibili yung mga jacket ko. Paano na ito ngayon ang negosyo ko? Teka, bakit ba walang ginagawa ang mga gobyerno?
Ano bang dapat gawin ng gobyerno? Hindi nila kayang palamigin ang panahon.
Basta,
Sa karagatan ng mga tao, ikaw ang nakikita ko. Sa mga labing aking nahalikan, nahanap ko ang sayo. Kapaligiran ay sobrang ingay, at boses mo ang siyang lunas.
Bakit ka ba talaga pinapunta ng papa mo dito? To say, a horrible world, 100 years now? Para balaan kami sa mga hindi magagandang bagay at magbago?
I actually don't know either. It's just what we always do, like a habit. Na itong mga panahon na to ang opportunity natin para mabago ang hinaharap. And if we fail to do this, then there's nothing a human can do. I miss you, Papa.
nagsisimula lang kami sa mga maliliit na bagay. Reducing waste, kaya-kaya namin yun. Reducing comes down to reducing what we buy. Look at my house. Yan yung mga bagay na kailangan ko. Ice cream? Kalahating isda lang laman yan. You know, recycling. Water is the best detergent. Saan ba napupunta lahat ng mga shampoo, conditioner, soap? Saan ba napupunta lahat ng mga yan? Paano ka naglalaba nang walang kahit anong gamit na detergent? Una, hindi naman ako madalas maglaba. Pero pag dapat maglaba, binabaliktad ko yung damit ko, tapos sinusot ko ulit. That's what I do.
We invented this. We're just waiting for the pill. Lalo na ngayon, the air because of the pollution is very worse. Sobrang dumi na ng hangin. Kailangan na natin magbago ng buhay, kaya kailangan na natin magsuot ng ganito.
With that, walking
With the air being so bad, yeah, kailangan natin magsuot ng ganito kung ayaw mong mamatay.
Paano kung papunta tayo sa mataas na lugar? Hindi ba tayo mahihirapan huminga?
Yeah, mahihirapan kang huminga, kaya I suggest na sumakay ka na lang sa sasakyan.
Sasakay ng sasakyan. Hindi ba parang mas nakakadagdag ng pollution doon?
Great question. The air will get worse. Then what? Look at the words.
Did you feel malat?
Not a lot. I have a long way to go. There was probably an answer in the world we live in. Since nangyari na nga lahat, the regrets of the people from the future 100 years from now must be the solution for us.
Why are you filming this? If you film this and show it to people, kaya ba nilang baguhin ang hinaharap?
I actually don't know. Pero naisip ko, kailangan may gumawa nito. Sino nga bang manonood sa akin? Hindi ko rin alam. I just know that I want people to stop horrible future.
Ano gagawin mo bukas?
Bukas?
Will tomorrow be the same as today?
I actually don't know. Wala naman akong gagawin bukas.
Kung masyado pang mahirap o komplikadong baguhin ang hinaharap, then maybe we can just live differently tomorrow. And probably the world I live in will probably change. If just tomorrow changes.
Hello? Kasama ka siya. What? Sigurado ba kayo?
Yes. From the appearance and the report, nag-aaral na rin ang nursing home. Her condition, anyways, we'll keep her in our station and the nursing home staff will come in at night to fetch her. The hospital and the nursing home were really worried about you. It's already April, so it's over been a month.
April 1? Today is April 1?
Sino ba ito kausap ko? Ang kulit? Parang nasisiraan na yata ng ulo. Wait! Miss, mabalik dito, miss!
This great message that I wanted to deliver may begin with what I do tomorrow. This great answer from the girl. Hello? The new money has been released? Tingin ko naman hindi ko na kailangan yan. Pero sige, titingnan ko. Thank you!
Paulit-ulit siya. Galing doon sa chef.
Saan pa naman siya nag-iwan?
Yun eh.
Nakalimutan ko.
Taas mo pa!
Kainin na, kainin. Uy!
Oh, nakatawa!
Uy! Ayun si...
Invented.
Yan.
Dapat nandito si... Uy, ang...
Wait lang. Wait lang, hindi sumaksak.
Yung headset belt!
The hospital and the nursing home.
Ano ga?
The hospital and the nursing home were really worried about you. It's already April 1, so it's over been a month.
It's already April 1?
Yes.
Today is April 1?
Nice. Ang kulit mo. Sino ka ba talaga? Ulit.
Sino ka ba talaga?
1, 2, 3. Go. If the... Ay, puta.
Yung one-way function.
This girl shows signs of anxiety disorder, and she has a severe communication problem.
Does the scan and shows any
Nasabi ng kanto.
Nanginig na ako.
Mamamatay na kami dito. Nakikita mo ba yung tubig? Kapag hinagis ko ang lambat, parang dumilang din mahuli namin. Mas marami pang basura kaysa isda. Hindi ito maganda. Sobrang weird nito.
Maganda na nun! Nagtingin ka pa sa iPhone!
Nakalimutan niya nga.
Hindi, tayo.
Tayo nag-time check, nag-time.